The aortic surveillance program at Northwestern was designed to complement cardiology and primary care with a focused lens on monitoring aortic disease progression. The program is for anyone with an aortic aneurysm or anyone that's been diagnosed with an acute aortic syndrome like an aortic dissection, or anyone that's had aortic surgery that needs continued surveillance. Aortic care is often one that requires a multidisciplinary team. Our aortic surveillance program streamlines that care amongst teams. We have cardiac and vascular surgery, cardiology genetics, radiology, and we all work together really to create a custom plan for patients.
This multidisciplinary approach really helps to provide the best option for patients, particularly those complex situations that don't have a straightforward answer. So for patients with aortic aneurysms, the timing of surgery can be nuanced. The same size of aneurysm can be different for different people depending on your body habitus, on your risk factors, on your genetic screening, and so forth.
We will determine when they need imaging next and what imaging modality is best, and if they need treatment, which surgery team they should see, and what treatment is best for the patient.
The Code Aorta program was designed in order to help patients with life-threatening aortic emergencies that need immediate and definitive surgical care. First of all, to help facilitate the transfer process to bring these patients to Northwestern and help our emergency medicine and other referring providers to bring the patients here. And second, to create a pathway to actually get these patients straight to the operating room. So when they hit the doors of Northwestern, they don't stop in the ER or an ICU, they just go straight to the operating room. Historically, these are patients with 1 or 2% per hour risk of dying without surgery. Any time saved can quite literally be life-saving. Many of those patients will actually need other interventions. We follow them with routine imaging surveillance of the rest of the aorta, and we manage their blood pressure and other medical comorbidities. I tell patients, you're a patient of mine for life. Since we started the Code Aorta program in early 2020, we've seen double of the volume of patients with aortic dissections and aortic ruptures and other aortic emergencies. We're one of the busiest centers in the entire nation in terms of managing patients with acute aortic syndrome.
I think what makes our program unique is that our team is really specialized and our center is really a high volume center. And so we offer procedures that other centers don't, and we do the procedures much more often.
Things like the Ross procedure, for which we're the only center in Illinois. We take care of patients with all sorts of complex pathologies, and we like to think of ourselves as the place that can handle the sickest of the sick, if you will.
Referring physicians can find comfort in our experience as an aortic team, knowing that we're experienced and we're here to help them make sure that patients have the monitoring they need and really have a specialized team to take care of them.